It's almost 10:30 on Wednesday. I was actually up to trade the New York Open. Had a good morning session. I've been vacationing in Idaho and discovered a new love for electronic scootering. They've got a really amazing greenway that goes for 25 miles along the river there. I still have been trading the souped up Delta and Divergence system. It's been going good so far this week. Had a green Monday and Tuesday. Just trading a little bit in the pre-London session those days. See here on the 5 minute we just got a 6 signal. And then on the next candle we had point of control drawn down to the low of this candle. We just got a nice bounce up. I had to refresh my computer so the signal counter signals aren't showing up from earlier in the morning. But there was a 4 signal on this candle. Then we had a 4 signal on this candle. Nice pop up. And then we had one more 4 signal on this green candle. Had a nice little pop back up to the 20. I finally changed the delta on this MNQ chart to have the regular NQ delta information down here. So in my data series I added a regular NQ data series. And then in my indicators for the per bar ultimate delta, I selected the input series of the regular NQ instead of the micro NASDAQ. So on the big chart, I've got the micro NASDAQ. I can trade the micro NASDAQ with these chart buttons. But down here, I've got the delta information for the regular NQ. The delta for the regular NQ is just way more reliable. The MNQ delta gets a little wild. You can see we had some nice triple divergence here. 3 minutes into the New York Open. Got a nice pop up back to VWAP. These previous day VWAP closes, these blue dashed lines, you can see how they were honored all through pre-market and again later in the day here. If you're interested in learning how to set up your chart just like this, there are links in the description to a couple of videos that will show you the exact settings. In the morning session, I got short after this candle. Very full-bodied candle. It blew through all of these levels, the 20, session VWAP, both of these previous session VWAP closes. And we had a bunch of negative delta, and we had a 4 signal on the signal counter at the time. We got into a short there. I also took this triple divergence long, and I got in a couple more shorts. I got into a short up at these previous day VWAP closes, and I got into a short when we pulled back to the 20 here. We had a ton of negative delta on this candle. I was waiting to see if it was exhaustion or if we were going to break a lot lower. We didn't head lower. We pulled back to the 20. And as we're pulling back, just not as much delta as we've had in the prior 5 minutes. Got into a bounce trade short there. So I just wanted to make this quick little video. I am still alive, and I am still planning on getting back into full swing at some point here. Making regular videos. I've barely been trading at all for the past month. Just trading a little bit in the off hours. Making like 30 to 60 bucks a day trading the micros. I had a few different prop firm accounts, and they were all just about to expire. So on Friday last week, even though I was up pretty good on all the accounts, I still did not want to pay the renewal fees. So I just went all in with some big size and didn't work. So I grabbed a new Apex account, just one. I'm going to wait until I actually get settled somewhere and I have more time to trade. I like to pass the evals within the first month. So until I have some more time to dedicate to that, just going to mess around with one account at a time. Then when they're funded, I can take my sweet time. But either way, I do plan to be in full swing again sometime sooner than later. So there's a little MonkeyMan Trades update. There are links to all the indicators in the description. And anyone that's out there using code MonkeyMan is absolutely amazing. Thanks so much for the support. I hope to make it even more worth it by producing some more content here in the future. I hope you got some good ideas for your own trading. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.